Today we are playing Bird Bingo at Bird Paradise. We have 4 players, and each pair will compete with the other to complete this Bird Bingo the fastest. Starting with...
I may look cool, but I'm a sweetheart.
Bird Paradise, I'm falling in love with you.
Everything's our first time here. It's our first time here also, right? Yeah. Okay. Is it the nearest? Oh, right. Let's go there. Yeah, let's just wing it up. Okay. Just see whatever we see.
Shall we go to Penguin Cove first?
Let's go penguin. Oh, is it preening itself?
Yes.
It's preening itself, right?
Yeah.
Hey, we got one. It's preening it, is it?
Yay!
Okay. Let's go. We are in the Australian outback
To find our favorite bird.
Martin, the evil.
Sadly, I have the map on my phone.
Oh, is it in a group chat?
No. I didn't want to send it because then Jenny and Kaiwan.
Wow, it's so competitive, huh?
Okay, let's record this. Here we have
A bird.
a red-tailed black.
It's not the cockatoo. It's like the lowest.
Is that the bird?
And the black cockatoo. But this is a crest, right? Does this count as a bird with a prominent crest? Yay! Then there's one on the bird feeding too.
Kiwi powder bird.
Feeding. Oh, who's that? Kripah!
Okay, that
It's a bird.
so cute.
What is it called? Oh, that's a kookaburra. I'm supposed to imitate the laughing kookaburra. Make some noise for us. You must tell you a joke, then you will laugh at you.
What is a king's fart called?
Royal dance?
You know, a noble guest.
Dance. Stop. No, clearly didn't laugh.
Well, so it's okay. Hey, is that evil?
Yeah. It's been there a long, man.
Is this little laugh? Okay, never mind. Let's focus on Martin.
Which one is Martin though?
A struggle.
Stay in the hut, please.
Okay, so now we are headed into Lorry Loft.
Are there a lot of lorries in there? We will find out.
Okay, so we are going to go on other way.
Yeah, this one. Wow. Yeah, 100% similarity.
Yes.
I can't even tell the difference. Donna is doing a moonwalk.
I'll do it.
Thanks. I'm in love. This is Lorry Loft. Wow.
So what are we supposed to do? Is there anything in Lorry Loft? Let's see.
How do we get a bird on the railing?
I think you just got to walk and find it.
Hey, bird on the railing.
So now, we are in the Songs of Forest. Squawk, squawk.
They'll
So
grab
cute.
a long-legged bird.
Why do you think birds have long legs? So they can walk in the in a puddle of water.
Oh, that's so sad. How do birds stay awake during long flights? I know, this one. They become nocturnal, is it? They take 9-second power naps.
Bingo!
complete! Okay, I'm to show you something. Look, I found a shoe bill.
I'm a fairy. I take 2 legs. Yay! Wow!